Hello. I had a rattling washing machine. It was making quite a loud noise, quite a disturbing noise, a rattling sound. I watched quite a lot of videos on YouTube and thought I'll try and repair it myself. Most of them were referring to the weight being loose. When I took the lid off the washing machine, I realized that the weight on top of it was quite tight and was not loose. So the next thing normally is these shockers or dampers. If you tilt the machine, you're able to take the 4 screws off at the bottom and the lugs from the other end. If you take them lugs out, they're quite easy to replace. The lugs are a little bit of a pain to put back in. The dampers are quite easy to replace. It's much easier if you turn the machine with the opening door facing the front. This is a Hoover 1400 AAA model, and the lugs are quite difficult to put back in. Anyhow, once I changed the dampers, I realized that the dampers may not be quite as good as they should be, but the problem was on the weight at the bottom of the machine, which I'll just show you and you'll be able to hear. Now, if you turn the machine around with the door on the front facing you, you're not supposed to turn the machine upside down. But if you have the front of the machine on the top, and then from the bottom, you can use a 14mm socket, and I've secured it now. It's got 3 holes on the top. You can tighten these 3 bolts. If you put your hand inside these holes, you can feel the washers. If they're loose, the washers, you can feel the washers. And there's 3 holes there. There's one on the right and one on the left. And you can just use the socket and tighten these. I hope this helps and solves your problem.